I wish I knew this earlier that we can check our TikTok account if it's still healthy or not. How? Watch this.
First, go to your profile, click the three lines on the upper right corner, then click for account check. Then TikTok will scan your profile and your content. As you can see, meron ako ditong warning at alam ko na kung which video saan ako may problema. Next is pupuntahan natin yung particular video na yon at titignan natin kung ano yung problema. So now to check, click more insight. And then, dito makikita mo that my video is not eligible for recommendation. So, ang gagawin natin is mag-a-appeal lang tayo. Click mo yung appeal on the right upper corner and then submit. That's it. So, TikTok will notify you after 24 hours, within 24 hours. So, bakit ba natin kailangan yung i-check? So, isa rin kasi yon sa mga dahilan kung bakit your video get not enough views, no? Bakit kaya walang views yung aking video? Or bakit kaya ganito, bakit kaya ganyan? Check mo rin kaya